To this Titan tutorial on custom captions. All captions